Hello, my name is Fatima Lopez and I'll be giving my speech on the process of buying a house. Have you ever thought of buying a house, or maybe you feel like you're ready to buy it now but don't know the process? Knowing the process before getting into it is essential. That way you have a smooth and stress-free experience. Today I'll be discussing the whole process of buying a house. I'll be talking about the financial aspects, what to expect while working with your real estate agent, and what happens when you make an offer, and lastly, how closing works. Before you start shopping, it's important to get an idea of how much a lender will give you to purchase your first home. It is beneficial to shop around for a lender and compare different interest rates and fees. Shop around even if you only qualify for one type of loan. Fees can be different. There's different loans: conventional loans, FHA loans, Virginia loans, and USDA loans. Make sure you get pre-approved for a loan before placing an offer on a home. In many instances, sellers would not even look at an offer that does not have a mortgage pre-approval. Sometimes the bank will give you a loan for more house than you really want to pay for. Just because the bank gives you that amount, you should not actually borrow that much. You need to take in consideration interest rates, taxes, HOAs, and insurance. Keep in mind that the larger the down payments, the more equity you'll have and the lower your monthly mortgage payments will be. Along with your down payments, you'll have to save money for closing costs. Real estate agents will help you locate homes. They will assist you in negotiating the entire purchase process, including making an offer, getting a loan, and completing paperwork. It is vital for you to figure out your priorities in a home now before you get deeper into the house research. You need to take into consideration the neighborhood you want to live in, the type of home, and how much land you want. Other things include the number of bathrooms in the house, the number of bedrooms you really need, and the age and condition of the home. Are you willing to do a lot of work on a home? After you settle in your priorities, you have clearly communicated with your real estate agent. It is time to start house hunting. You can either look for homes online through Redfin, Zillow, or Bright MLSL. You can also drive by neighborhoods. Before submitting an offer, take another look at your budget. This time, factor in estimated closing costs, communicating costs, and any immediate repairs, and any appliances that you will need before moving in. For home inspections, you will need to get a trained professional to do the home inspection of the property. That way, they're going to take a look at the safety and overall condition of the home. A home appraisal is needed and is one of the final stages of your purchase. It is required by the mortgage companies to protect their interest in the house. They're going to look at the square footage, lot size, number of bedrooms, added features like garage or swimming pools. When negotiating, if your inspection does not go well, you can ask for a discount purchase price, or you can ask the seller to give you credits to cover your closing costs, or you can ask them to fix it before you close in the house. The seller might either accept or reject your offer. It is up to you to decide on how to proceed afterwards. The final walkthrough, this will allow you to make sure that the seller has made any repairs that you request there, and also that the seller has cleared out the property, that he has not left anything behind. When closing on your new home, they're going to have two major responsibilities: signing legal documents, which include closing disclosure, deed of trust, and other stuff, and also paying closing costs, which includes mortgage application, appraisal survey, and title research. Finally, I want to say that knowing the whole process of how to buy a house is essential before you start the process. That way you will have an idea of what you're doing, and you will have a smooth and relaxed experience. My aim was to encourage you to go further and invest in your future by becoming a homeowner with the correct information of how the process of buying your future home goes, for whenever you feel like you'll need that information, whether it will be in a few days, a few months, or a few years. And congrats on your new home if you do purchase one. Thank you.